It is a beautiful day in Las Vegas, which means one thing: today is going to be a pool day. That's right, we are staying currently, as you can see in the mess behind us, in the Vanderpump Hotel in Las Vegas, previously known as the Cromwell. We've featured this pool before. It used to be called Drai's. It was like the rooftop pool at the Cromwell. Now it is Soleia Beach. So from what I've seen, it doesn't look like there's been too many changes, but still curious to see, what's like up there. If there's anything, anything changes that we maybe haven't seen before, what the food's like, drinks, vibe, music, etc. So stay tuned. Let's go check out the pool, get some sun. See you up there. Alrighty, so we are up here at the pool area. There is a laundry list of rules before you come in here, which I will show you now. Basically, you're gonna take the elevator banks. It's kind of funny if you're staying in the hotel because you have to come down to the ground floor and walk across the casino floor over to where the elevator banks that say Soleia Pool or Soleia Beach. Sorry, you have to get checked in there. They'll check your bags, check everything like that. It is open to the public. You do need to have reservations, I believe, for the day beds. If you are Diamond Plus or above, you can take advantage of these day beds. They're along the back, complimentary. Kids are not allowed, but if you are a hotel guest, you can bring your kids. I will also mention, if you are staying here, you can also use the pool over at Caesars as well, so you don't just have to use this pool. It's just something to keep in mind. Honestly, we asked him if it's changed much, and his opinion basically was that it hadn't much, but it's a lot more, I guess, chill, he said, a lot more of like a relaxed environment, a little less of a day club, more of just a hanging out at the pool, which, yeah, so far it seems like it's very like top 40 style music and stuff as opposed to like loud pumping music. But anyway, I'm gonna check out the menu, see what kind of things they have on here. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so the menu is actually not that bad. Sometimes these pool menus can get you, but like, okay, some of the stuff, they have Vietnamese coffee for $15. Like an eggs Benedict, $22, not too bad. Breakfast wrap, $20. I mean, again, you're in Vegas, these are prices pretty standard. Sandwiches, burgers, $26, $25. Not bad at all. She did say the kitchen opens around 10:30 to 11, so we probably won't be taking advantage of that, unfortunately. But yeah, all in all, prices are not too bad. Cody did order himself he had a little sample of it because he likes watermelon, but he had one the other night that was too sweet. So she brought him a little sample. So he's getting that with some tequila. I'm probably just gonna chill because it is early and I don't want to peak too soon. One thing I did also want to note is when we were coming up here, they did mention that it's a third-party owner. So I thought this was going to be part of like Lisa's thing and be part of Vanderpump. I mean, it's still part of Vanderpump Hotel, obviously, but it's not like licensed, like nothing to do with Lisa. And I thought that's kind of surprising, considering the fact that it is, newly open hotel. I figured they'd get rid of Drai's, put something, with her spin on it. Definitely needs a little bit of her spin because some of these palm trees are looking a little sad. Alrighty, got a little more information. It is the same owner as the original place of Drai's, so I guess they just did a name change. We'll also mention, we did just go in the water. It's warm, like I was expecting it to be colder. Some of the pools here are freezing. This water is very warm, very shallow. It only goes 3 foot 6 inches deep, so it's pretty shallow. They do have floaties here. I think that they are supplied by the hotel, which is kind of a nice touch. And what else? Oh yeah, but it's very warm. And Cody reckons it's salt water. I'm not sure if it is. If it's not, that's gross, because I think he tasted it by accident. Anyway, I'm gonna head back in there though. I just need a bit of a break because it's pretty hot. Alrighty guys, back to the room after our little pool jaunt at the Soleia Beach. We'll say, as somebody who had gone to Drai's, I think it was last year, didn't see a huge difference yet. That said, it's still very new. Vanderpump just opened, at least the time I'm recording this, like a month or so ago. So it's still very, very fresh. I'm sure changes are coming. I'm sure new things will come. unless it is just literally a name change just for the sake of, you know, seeming new. I don't know. Anyway, didn't notice a huge difference. They did say the music wasn't as loud. I found it to be just as loud, so that wasn't really a huge difference for me. Cody got that watermelon drink with 2 shots of tequila. I think he said after tip and everything came to like $60 something, which is crazy. So just keep in mind, drinks are not cheap. But all in all, I mean, it was great. The water was warm, so it wasn't really somewhere you're going to go and like cool off, I guess. I mean, that helped a little bit, I guess. It was nice that the hotel includes little floaties if you want to just kind of chill and float around in the pool. Definitely, I wish there was a way that we could get to the pool without having to go down the casino, go across the casino floor, go back up again. But it's just the nature of the layout and this and that, so I get it. But it worked. Did its job. Anyway. That's probably where I will leave you with my Soleia Beach review, thoughts, etc. Anyway, as usual, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please do leave them below. It's really helpful to other travelers. They probably have the same questions that you guys have. Also really helpful for me because any interaction you guys have with my channel, whether you're liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing, it all helps the YouTube algorithm. If you're not subscribed, I see, please consider subscribing to the channel. It's totally free for you. Really helps me keep delivering this free content to you. Once again, this is Daniel Spotlight. Viva Las Vegas. We'll see you next one. Bye.